In this video I will show you how to fit magnets in your prints. Doing it by bare hands may be a bit challenging. Surely there should be some specialized tools, but you likely don't have one. What can help you is some massive metallic object, which can be a hammer or a mallet. The bigger the better, and most importantly it should be metallic, so you can snap your magnet on. First of all, you snap your magnets onto another half if you already have it assembled, and you take it, and the part which was snipping here to that part, you should take it and snap it to the magnet, to the mallet. And once you have it, you just push it, place it onto a hole. Maybe I will rotate the camera. So we have a magnet on our mallet, and we try to put it on the hole and just push it down firmly. You're not going to hammer it, just push it down until it fits. Once you're done, you want to confirm that it actually properly fits to the other part. Yeah, looks good. So now after that, we're doing that to the next magnet. So we expect it should fit to this one here. Let's try it again. It's better to check twice. So this is the part we want to use, and again you take it and you want this part here to be outside of the mallet. Alright, I took a permanent marker and I'm placing a mark on top of this. So we want to make sure it's outside of the mallet. Right, I took it and the mark is outside. So I take the part and I'm trying to align it so it's just flat. I push it onto a hole and push firmly, and we are done. The next thing I'm going to show, if for example your part wants magnets, say diameter of 4 millimeters, and all you have are larger magnets. So what you do, you find a magnet, this one is diameter of 5 millimeters, and if you look at the part, you see that if you add extra millimeters, should be good enough. So imagine you have this part which expects the magnet of diameter 4 millimeters. Let's check it. So radius 2 millimeters, diameter would be 4 millimeters. And all you have are just some magnets from hardware store, and these are 5 millimeters. 5 by 2, and this one expects and this one expects 6 millimeters. It's more like a cylinder rather than disc. But because your magnets are a bit bigger, it's very easy to fix without specialized software. You can do it right in your slicer. So what you do, you close all other tools and you right click on your part and what you do, add negative part, and you select cylinder. First it creates really large cylinder. What you want to do is to set it to the right scale you want, so you make sure it has object coordinates, so you just want this specific object, and you set it to your 5 millimeters. It will scale entire thing, and after that you stop scaling of it and set it to 2 millimeters to match your actual magnet dimensions. So this is your magnet. So what you do, you put it roughly on this object. Of course, in specialized software you can use snapping or other sophisticated solutions, but you can do just that. You align it visually so it's just at this place, so it creates slightly bigger hole, but as you can see it's not aligned yet. So what you do, you click top. Previously we clicked front, now we click top, and you select your circle and you just align it until it looks roughly okay. You don't need super duper precision, you just need it to be matching the other part, and you can do it visually. So this difference is just a millimeter, so these distances here are half millimeter each, so shouldn't be too bad even if you're slightly off. So you do that and we are all set. You can do slice and you can see that we have circles of all the hole, deeper hole, and you have this thing we created for your new object. And in other slices, because they are all sharing some historic code from other software, from Prusa Slicer and from each other, in Orca Slicer you just do the same. You right click on your object, you add negative part, select sphere for example, you can put it on your part and do slice, and it will make a hole in it. Pretty much the same as in Bamboo Slicer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.